Hey everyone, and welcome back. And today we have a coin from Luxembourg, and it's 10 francs, I believe. So if this is something that interests you, then please everyone, stay tuned and let's look into this. Right then everyone, so today we are looking at a coin from Luxembourg, and it is 10 francs. I'm not really sure how much that is up against the British currency, but I'd only imagine maybe 10 pence or so, to be honest. But again, this coin is fairly old, so that's why I'm showing it, and this coin is from 1980. I think these coins first came out in 1971 to 1980, so I believe that this coin I got here is the last one of the reign of this 10 francs coin. So we'll look into this now, as in the picture, everyone. I'm so sorry, it is very badly distorted and dirty. What's going on there on top of his head, I'm not sure, because when you actually look at the coin it don't quite look like that, but I don't know. But who this person is on the coin, Jan Gran, I can't make it out, people, I'm sorry. Maybe he was the Prime Minister or the President or whatever of France at the time. Jean Grandi, Luxembourg, I think it says there. But yeah, so nice coin. As I say, silver. If you was to polish this up, it'd probably come up very nice. I really wouldn't imagine that this coin is worth anything whatsoever. You could probably still pick this up for a few quid, I would imagine. But it's still a coin that is worthy of having in your possession, in your collection, because you never know with these things. They might just go through the roof and then you'd be laughing then. But other than that, on the front of this coin there's not really much more to talk about. It's just the face of their Prime Minister. If you can really look closely, there's maybe a signature at the bottom of his head. It's hard to make it out, but there's some sort of signature maybe at the bottom of his head. Yeah, other than that, it's not really something that people would rush out to buy, but if you're probably from Luxembourg or France or them sort of places, you know, it'd probably be more of a collector's item out there than in the UK. But nonetheless, I still keep it in my collection, because I say you never know. So apart from that, I'll turn him over and show you the reverse side. Right then everyone, here we are. This is the reverse side of the coin, and quite clearly stated there in the middle is 10 francs, or 10F, 10 francs it stands for. On top of that then there is a crown. I wouldn't say obviously the Queen's crown, but there is a crown nonetheless. And then either side of the 10 francs, maybe some sort of flower. It's a decorative piece. Below that then is the date, 1980, as far as I'm aware. from what I just researched, that this coin was minted from 1971 to 1980. So this is the last one of the reign of this coin. So yeah, that's something, I suppose. It's silver made of nickel, I suppose. As I say, it's not really much initial value to it or anything. You'd probably pick these up for a few quid and be happy to have it in your collection. Yeah, apart from that, everyone, here we go. This is 10 francs from Luxembourg. And if you're a fan of these coins, please leave your comments down below and let us know what you think of this coin and, you know, if it's worth keeping or not. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching, please stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another coin or piece of treasure for you good people. So thanks everyone, I'll see you soon, take care.